Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to publish or unpublish a WordPress website. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on WordPress, you might want to click on the Get Started button. Now, creating an account here in WordPress is very easy and simple. All you're going to do is you can continue with your Google account, your Apple account, your GitHub, or you can log in via app. Once you've done that, click on continue and you are all set. Now, publishing or unpublishing a WordPress website is a straightforward process, and one of them is you need to ensure that your website or your WordPress website is fully set up, including designing your pages, adding content, and configuring settings. Now, to preview your website like here, all you're gonna do is click on it. But it's a good idea to preview your website to see how it looks to your, of course, visitors. You can do this by clicking on the preview in the WordPress dashboard top bar, which is this one right here. If you click on it, you will be directed. You will be directed here, and all you're gonna do is you can actually visit the site as well. Click on that, and there you have it. Now, for you to have that option to publish or unpublish a specific website in a WordPress, you need to use a plugin. Now, what I normally use for that is a thing called and hit enter. All right, so what I normally use is you can use the seed prod, smart maintenance mode, and a lot more. But for now, we're gonna use you can use a lot of these, all right? Or maybe let's use this one, the coming soon maintenance mode. Now click on it. And again, these 4 sections are there for you to read and understand, because from the introducing coming soon maintenance mode WordPress plugin, it's a one-click setup. It's super fast and handy plugin, makes it easy to create a stunning and professional looking coming soon or maintenance page to publish and unpublish your website. You can also read the reviews right here so that it can help you make an informed decision. And the minimum guide for installation and the active community of contributors and developers. And all I gotta do is click on the download button right here and you're good to go. Now, another step that we can use is go here again in plugins and add a new plugin. And again, we need to search for the maintenance. All right, so we selected a different maintenance earlier, but let's click on the this one right here. Click on the minimal coming soon coming page. It's free to install and activate, and once you've done that, you will be directed to a new page stating the status of the plugins. Now, you need to manage a plugin right here. Click on that, because from here, obviously, you need to search for the minimal plugin. Now, click on that here, and all you're gonna do is deactivate if you want to unpublish. It's a very straightforward process. Right here, click on deactivate. And if you wanted to activate that again, you need to reinstall the plugin once more. All right. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.